So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bottle of booze. But not just any bottle of booze. A Halloween edition candy-filled bottle with lollipop booze. Lollipop ghosts. Really cool, really fun project. Let's get to it. You need, of course, your lollipop, because that's going to be the base for the ghost. You're going to need a mason jar so you can put all of the lollipops or all the booze in there when you're finished. You're going to want the cloth, of course, so you can cover the lollipops and make them little ghosts. I like to use pipe cleaners to tie the cloth around the lollipops when you're finished. You can use anything like a string or a twist tie, whatever strikes your fancy. Also a marker. This isn't a marker, this is a pen, but I do have a marker. And then you draw faces on the cloth when you're done. So check it out. So since I have 16 lollipops in the jar, I'm gonna cut 16 pieces of fabric. So here we go. 16 little pieces of fabric for 16 ghosts. If these little things right here, these little tabs are bothering you like they're bothering me, let's go ahead and clip them off. I mean, there's no telling. I mean, look at the difference. It's gonna be a lot easier to work with this one compared to this one, just because of this little thing. Check it out. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna have to really, like, it's not even that round, which is fine, but this will give me a more round ghost head. There you go, there you go, it's fine, it's perfect. Little ghost. Here we go, that's the base. Actually, you know what? This is my first ghost. Or boo. This is the first boo. What's up, boo? Check it out. Double up this long piece of wire. Wrap the little cloth over and then bloop, tie it right up. There we go. That easy. You got yourself a boo. One boo, and we're gonna fill this jar up with booze. Now for the most awesome part of this project is making the faces. Make, you know, generic silly ghost face. Ooh, ghost. Right? Make a pirate. Yar! You can make this bro that eats everything. Jack-o'-lantern type ghost. Make a bear or a doggy ghost. Made a Spider-Man ghost. Yeah, the Scream ghost. The cool ghost. A little lady ghost with a ribbon on her head. So once you're done, made all your ghosts, go ahead and start putting them ghosts in. There you go. Really cool bottle of booze. And don't forget to label your bottle of booze. And you know, try to let some of the cool ones stick out. I mean, I did a good job of making them all pretty freaking cool, so it's a little bit hard, but we'll put it right here. Bottle of booze. Hell yeah. There you go. Bottle of booze. Really cool gift for Halloween.